In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty OneDrive storage. Managing your OneDrive storage efficiently can help you stay organized and ensure you have enough space for future files. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to visit the OneDrive website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to Microsoft's OneDrive page. You can easily do this by typing OneDrive into your search engine and clicking on the official link. Once you've arrived on the page, you should see a Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the OneDrive homepage. This serves as your control center where you can manage all your storage. Next, look for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol. Clicking on it will either slide out a menu on the side or open a new page, depending on your browser or device. Here, you need to find the option selection and click on it. As you navigate through these options, keep an eye out for a section labeled as Manage Storage or something similar. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Free Up Space and click on it. This step prepares OneDrive to display the files and items that are consuming the most space in your cloud storage. Now, you should see a list of folders, documents, and other files that have accumulated over time. These are the items you'll need to review. To effectively clear your space, select all the items you no longer need. It's crucial to be cautious here because once these items are deleted, retrieving them won't be a walk in the park. A good practice is to double-check if you're okay with losing what you select permanently. Once you've made your selections, locate the Delete button. This button is typically easy to spot once you've highlighted your desired files. When you click on Delete, OneDrive will proceed to remove all the selected files from your cloud storage. Remember, performing this action can save a significant amount of space and can prevent your cloud storage from reaching capacity too soon. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain an organized and tidy digital life. And that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've made your OneDrive storage significantly lighter. Keep up with this routine periodically, and you'll always have enough room for new files. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you keep your OneDrive free of clutter.